Hi there, I'm Nick Merrill, and I'd like to talk to you about the foundation on which Verisurf software has been built and how the new Verisurf 2021 release continues to play that forward. More than 25 years ago, Verisurf was the first company to develop PC-based software that could compare physical part measurements to the surface of a cab model. Today, Verisurf continues to lead the way with its latest release of Verisurf 2021. From Boeing's digital product definition requirements to those of PTB and NIST, Verisurf exceeds industry and customer expectations for measurement and inspection automation that has been designed for today's manufacturing enterprise. This has required an unwavering commitment to performance, ease of use, and universal compatibility with all popular CAD file formats and new and legacy CMMs. Verisurf has gained the trust of its loyal customers by providing and continually improving on practical measurement solutions for inspection and reporting, scanning and reverse engineering, and toolmaking and assembly guidance. Verisurf 2021 adds to the ever-increasing practical value of the measurement and inspection toolset that is Verisurf software. Continue to follow this video series as it focuses on the new features included in Verisurf 2021 and see the difference Verisurf can make in your shop. If you like our videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive alerts when we post new videos. And thank you for watching.